Sele kuphantse kube zinyanga ezintandathu iSABC ngenabhodi. Oku kusemva kokuba kwafikelela esiphelweni kwexesha lebhodi edlulileyo. Amagosa eSABC agxothwe ePalamente amatyela amabini kuba engakhatshwa yibhodi, kuba yiyo ethatha uxanduva. Ikomidi engukhala kwezonxibelelwano ayivumi kujika kulo mbandela.
The list is set in concrete, so there's no wiggle room. Your decision to write to the Speaker is absolutely correct, and I back it 100%, and we cannot delay this matter further. So I would suggest that you do exactly as you have suggested. Write to the Speaker, say we've had opinion, we're sticking to our guns, kindly have the board appointed.
We have taken a decision as this committee. We have said that these are the 12 names. We were very clear as to when do the 3 names arise or come to effect. It is when there is a vacancy. It is now that there is a vacancy with Kruger that these 3 names come to play. But in the absence of that, the 3 names are moot.
Akukacaci ukuba ibhodi entsha iza kwenyulwa nini.
The delay in appointing the SABC board is deeply regrettable. The President fully appreciates the urgency of the matter. As you know now, the matter is in court.